If you don't have ChatGPT on your telephone and you're in tech, you're a sharp. The thing with tech is the moment you get to this level, this pedestal you thought was the one, the epitome of everything, you realize there's another ceiling you're yet to reach. For your own good, don't disregard the basics. When you do get that internship, ask to be retained. And then there's this guy called Lagat, who say, Akuka Mimi, and he's trying to micromanage me. And he's still doing the same. Listen, my guy, you will get stoned out here one day.
During attachment, you're earning 15K.
15,000.
You came back after school and you started earning how much?
A trainee, I was earning 35K.
Your big break came.
I just had the what do I have to lose mentality. 3,800 job applications.
And there's someone who's at their 60th rejection and they want to pull out their hair.
Kenyan companies need to promote from within. Promote everyone, let everyone go up a step. And then bring the interns weke huku chini. Let them start learning, let them get those new opportunities, let them get access. Who's this person who sang this Sweet Dreams Are Made of This?
Beyonce.
It's not Beyonce. Some of them want to use you. Some of them want to be used by you. You read the mix, yeah? Once you fix yourself, you attract the right things. If you want drugs, sit next to guys who do drugs. But you're never the first person to go through something. Ask a lot of questions. The more you question, the more you build your own reality, the more you write your own story, and the more you move away from social norms. Gen Z, viva.